Yeah, I'm really tired feeling like I'm the problem. When all I'm trying to do is make things clear. All I want to do is be the person who's always there. Take me for granted, that's your fault. Take me for someone I'm not, that's your thoughts. Your accusation ain't right, it's in the wrong variation. It's not for now, it's in the wrong situation. But I hope that you find out, I hope that you're cool, I hope that you're okay. I just wanna say I've always been real, I've always been there, but you make me feel like you don't care, like you don't care. Sometimes I really wonder, do you wanna be here? Do you wanna be here? But I'ma leave it to time. I know my star gonna start, so let it shine. But if you do what you do, it won't take time, it won't take long before you say those words. And when you do, just know you can't take them back. I hope you know, I hope you know. If you go, if you let go, I will stay away, evade any type of relationships. Yeah.